In this video, I want to share with you a new viral niche and talk to you about whether I think it is safe or not. Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm a full-time print-on-demand seller. I make YouTube videos sharing with you how to make more money on merch-on-demand and other print-on-demand platforms. If you like this kind of content, you get any value out of this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, click the bell, and like the video. Now, before I share with you that new viral niche and talk about whether it is safe or not, just want to do a quick sales update for merch-on-demand and for Etsy. So today is it is Thursday, July 24th, 6:26 a.m. in the morning. And already got 7 sales. That's kind of cool. But yesterday, not a good day. Only 29 sales and I think like 54 bucks in royalties. So kind of a slow day. But that's just how it was. Nothing I can really do. Did have a couple big days a couple days ago, 109, 105. But that is going to put me at 894 sales for the month and $2,200 in royalties. And for Etsy, we're going to see that I had 4 sales yesterday and did $91 in royalties, and for the month that is going to put me at I think like 1,500. I was going to say 2,500. About $1,700 in revenue. Now I make about 35-40%. So if you do the math, I don't know, maybe that's like $700. It's kind of early. I'm still on my first cup of coffee. So, but those are my stats for Merch on Demand and for Etsy. Now, if you want to follow me on Instagram, where I post my daily sales for both Merch on Demand and Etsy, the link is in the description. I also post like gym pics, entrepreneur pics, lifestyle pics, just like my life down here in Mexico. I'm born and raised in Mill Valley, California, but I've been living in beautiful Puerto Vallarta, Mexico for the past 20 years. So yesterday morning, I was doing my research on Merch Dominator, like I usually always do every day, just doing research, looking for new niches, trending niches, evergreen niches. And I was actually using the Merch Dominator extension. If you don't have Merch Dominator or the Merch Dominator extension, I would highly recommend it because it will help you find niches in real time. They're really quick and updated, and the information is updated very quickly. That's why I like Merch Dominator so much. But basically what my research workflow is, I like to go to product search and I just leave this blank. I go to newest. I leave this blank as well, and I just click on search merch by Amazon search. And what it does is it takes me to this page right here, and it gives us all this really cool information. But the way that I like to have it set up is I scroll down here and I click on, where is it, advanced filters, and you can filter by the newest designs that I have actually sold. Right, that's what I want to see. I want to see what is new and what is selling. And right away, I saw these designs right here with BSRs. Don't push the horses. Arrest Obama. I don't use people's names, so I'm not going to do that. And I saw don't push the horses again. I'm looking for duplicates. And so right away, this niche caught my eye. So I'm like, well, what the heck is it? I went back to Merch Dominator, and then what I like to do to dig a little deeper, I will come down here to best sellers. And then I just typed in horses again with newest, and I saw all these other designs selling too. So this definitely caught my eye because these are all selling. You can see they all have BSRs, and they were just uploaded like 2 days ago, 3 days ago. These 3 were 3 days ago, and then these 2 right here were uploaded just 4 days ago and all selling. But I didn't understand the niche. I was like, what the heck does this mean? Don't push the horses with the boxing gloves. And so I went on over to Google. And I just typed in don't push the horses, and I saw this right here, and I saw the YouTube video of a song. So I was like, oh no, this isn't safe, and I kind of just disregarded it. I didn't do enough research. I didn't dig a little deeper, because today I started digging a little deeper, and when we click on this, we're going to see that's actually an internet meme. It's a sound bite. So let's just watch it real quick.
Don't push the horses. Don't push the horses.
Pardon me?
Don't push the horses. Don't push horses.
Don't push what?
Don't push the...
Okay, so you see it's actually this funny internet meme. Basically, it was 2 guys in, I think, Russia or Ukraine. It was a boxing fight. The interview or the show that they do before the boxing fight, and they were basically saying this. I can actually just show you this right here. Kind of, you can understand a little bit better.
Tyson's not here to defend himself. Yeah, keep your eye on the job. Tyson's not here to defend. We're talking about, this is a Daniel Dubois show, okay? So let's stick to that.
Don't push the horses.
Pardon me?
Don't push the horses.
Don't push what?
Don't push the horses.
I need a translator.
So you can see that was really funny. That's kind of like where it came from. And another thing, like if you don't understand what a niche is or why it is selling, you can just come over to ChatGPT and just ask it. So right here, you're going to see that I say, why is the phrase "don't push the horses" trending on Merch on Demand right now? And it will just break it down for you. So the phrase "don't push the horses" trending on Merch on Demand right now, thanks to a viral soundbite. So it's a viral soundbite. It's not a song, from Ukrainian heavyweight champ. I don't even know how to say that guy's name. Basically, what does it mean? Just slow down, don't rush things, and it just gives you all this information. All right. So, this niche is selling very well, and, I think it's kind of like, I think it's safe. It's kind of a gray area. If we go back here, we're going to see that it is selling well. It's a boxing niche, so, that's why you're going to see the gloves. And it's also from, the fighter who said it is from Ukraine. So that's why you see these Ukraine flag colors right here. And that's why it makes sense. If we go to Etsy to check the competition there, we're going to see that there's already lots of PNGs and t-shirts selling. Again, we're seeing that same thing, same color theme right here with the blue and the yellow. We're also seeing the horse that is boxing. That's a pretty good design. So if you do want to get into this niche, this is probably the best way to go about designing for it. Also on Redbubble, you can also get some ideas there. But me personally, I think this niche is safe. It's probably, I'm not going to get into this niche because, these type of niches aren't really my favorite. I'm more kind of into like evergreen niches. I'd rather, spend time on something that I know that I can sell almost every month, because even though this niche is selling and can get you some good sales, in 2 weeks, 3 weeks, it's probably not going to be selling anymore. But there are a lot of people that really like these trending niches and do well with them, because even though this niche might not be selling in 3 weeks from now, there's going to be another trending niche that's going to pop up, because there's always going to be a new trending niche. That's just how it is. And then they like to jump on that. So it kind of depends on your style and how you like to, make money on Merch on Demand. If you like trending niches, then I think this is a good niche that, is safe. But me personally, I'm probably just going to skip it and focus more on those, evergreen niches that can get me sales every month, especially with Christmas, right around the corner. This is the time of year that we want to really, lock in and, get uploading and get ready for all those Christmas presents that people are going to be buying for, mom, dad, brother, sister, son, daughter, things like that. So comment below. Let me know, what do you think about this niche? Do you think this niche is safe? Is this a niche that you're going to get into? And also comment, let me know if you think that viral video is kind of funny, because I got a good crack out of it. And then if you're looking for a niche service, you might want to consider joining my school community. I put out daily prompts for both Merch on Demand and Etsy. You get 4 niches and 4 prompts every day for both Merch on Demand and Etsy. So if you're interested, click the link in the description. It will take you to this page right here, and you can watch this video, which will talk more about who my school community is for and what you receive as a school community member. Because I also have a whole bunch of GPTs, like 20 GPTs, that will help you on your merch, on your print on demand business, or even digital download business. And then also, if you're looking for prompts, I have a whole bunch of free prompts that you can get in my PayHip shop. So you just come to my shop and you just click on free prompts right here. Here are actually some of them, because I've been doing a lot of free prompts. So you can download those for free. And then I also have prompts that are for sale. I'm also offering an end of the month sale. So right here you can get 500 evergreen prompts for only $12.50. I also have holiday prompts for like Thanksgiving, Halloween, Christmas, and I also have monthly prompts if you're looking for like niches that are going to be trending in August and September. So if you're interested, take a look at that. If not, it's all good. I will just continue making free content on YouTube for you. So make sure you comment, like, and subscribe, and click the bell so you never miss it, so that you never miss a video. Okay, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Adios.